Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you stunning Mediterranean terrace decor ideas and tips for decorating outdoor living space with warmth and relaxed elegance of Mediterranean ambience. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Ever dreamt of escaping to a sun-drenched villa overlooking the sparkling Mediterranean? You can create a slice of that paradise right in your own backyard with the captivating allure of Mediterranean terrace decor. This design style evokes the warmth, vibrancy, and relaxed elegance of the region, transforming your terrace into an inviting outdoor oasis. Mediterranean terrace decor draws inspiration from the countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, including Italy, Greece, Spain, and Morocco. It's a fusion of rustic charm, coastal influences, and a touch of Moorish flair. Think terracotta tiles, wrought iron accents, pops of color, and natural textures that create a sense of laid-back sophistication perfect for enjoying al fresco meals, relaxing evenings with friends, or simply soaking up the sunshine. There are numerous benefits to embracing the Mediterranean aesthetic for your terrace, such as: first, creates a tranquil escape. The calming color palette, natural materials, and focus on outdoor living foster a sense of serenity and relaxation, allowing you to unwind in a space reminiscent of a luxurious vacation home. Second, enhances entertaining. The inviting and social atmosphere of a Mediterranean terrace creates the perfect backdrop for gatherings. Picture sharing delicious meals and laughter with loved ones under a warm evening sky. Third, durability. Many traditional Mediterranean design elements, such as terracotta tiles and wrought iron furniture, are known for their resilience and ability to withstand the elements, ensuring your terrace remains beautiful for years to come. Fourth, versatility. This style can be easily adapted to suit your preferences. Whether you favor a classic Italian look, a vibrant Moroccan touch, or a more minimalist approach, it allows for creative expression. Here are some key steps to transform your terrace into a Mediterranean haven. First, flooring. Embrace the warmth of terracotta tiles or natural stone pavers. Opt for earthy tones that blend seamlessly with the surrounding environment. Second, furniture. Wrought iron furniture with scrolled details or sturdy wooden pieces in natural finishes are perfect choices. Comfortable seating, a dining table for al fresco meals, and loungers for sunbathing are essential. Accentuate with colorful cushions and throws for a touch of personality. Third, color palette. Bathe your terrace in the warm hues of the Mediterranean. Think terracotta red, sunny yellow, calming blues that reflect the sea, and pops of bright turquoise or emerald green. Fourth, textiles. Introduce a touch of texture with woven rugs, striped awnings for shade, and patterned tablecloths. Opt for natural fibers like linen or cotton that add to the relaxed feel. Fifth, accessories. Bring the Mediterranean spirit alive with decorative accents. Terracotta pots overflowing with herbs, colorful ceramic vases, wrought iron lanterns casting warm light, and a trickling water fountain add visual interest and ambience. And to complete your inspiration, hear these: the compilation of top 10 best Mediterranean terrace decor ideas. 1. Terracotta tiles and wrought iron furniture, the quintessential combination for an authentic look. 2. Citrus trees in pots, fragrance and a taste of the Mediterranean with lemon, orange, or olive trees. 3. Pergola with climbing vines, create a shaded haven and enhance privacy with climbing bougainvillea or jasmine. 4. Vibrant textiles, inject a dose of color with striped tablecloths, throw pillows in bold hues, or colorful outdoor rugs. 5. Mosaic accents, add a touch of artistic charm with mosaic tabletops, wall hangings, or decorative planters. 6. Lanterns and candlelight. Illuminate your nights with warm, flickering light from lanterns and candles. 7. Water feature. The soothing sound of a water fountain adds tranquility and creates a focal point. 8. Outdoor artwork. A hand-painted ceramic tile mural or a weathered stone statue lends an artistic touch. 9. Hammock or swing chair. Indulge in relaxation with a hammock strung between trees or a comfy swing chair. 10. Outdoor kitchenette. Elevate your outdoor entertaining with a built-in grill, countertop space, and a mini fridge. By incorporating these elements, you can transform your terrace into a Mediterranean sanctuary, a place to unwind, entertain, and soak up the beauty of the outdoors. Don't hesitate to personalize the space to reflect your unique style and create a haven that brings you joy. Visit our channel, Homes Decor Designs, on YouTube for even more inspiring terrace design ideas and expert tips. Let us help you create the perfect outdoor retreat. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.